Ibram here, back with a brand new video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to install a Plenum spacer on any VQ35DE, which is 2003 to 2005 G35s. I'm not sure what the years on 350Zs. I'm sure a few FX models too. Any car that has a VQ35DE motor, yeah, continue to watch this if you want to know how to do it, because I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm only following this, and so far not having any troubles. Yeah, here are the OEM screws. They do come with the new ones. Here's the Plenum picture. This is from Z1 Motorsport. Yeah, let me untighten everything and I'll get back to you guys as soon as possible. Alright, so I got everything unbolted. As you can see, the Plenum does go up and down. What I'm going to be doing now is having someone assist me to lift it up and put the Plenum inside. I'm not going to do this now, but I do recommend you guys cleaning the whole Plenum inside, because VQDE motors, they are known to consume a lot of oil, so there will be a lot of oil in here. I have not even opened this, and just by this I know that there's going to be a lot of oil and a lot of funky stuff on the Plenum. So I will be doing a video later. Yeah, if you guys want to do that, you guys can use a brake cleaner, but do not get anything on the the throttle, because it'll mess up your your throttle, something like that. But yeah, I'm gonna be installing this Plenum right now, and I'll get back to you guys. All right, guys, I managed to put it in. Sometimes people say you guys have to take these hoses off. All I did was take this intake off. Yeah, that's about it. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. It's gonna be the longest nails. You're gonna have to put the what is it? This right here. These ones right here. You're gonna have to put it at the end. Put it at the end of this. Put it in and then tighten it, and basically just follow the directions it'll come with. Yeah, it's simple. I thought it was gonna be complicated, but no, it was very simple. So far this took 15-20 minutes. I'm pretty sure I'll be done in the next 10-15 minutes or so. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Yeah, guys, it is the next day, and so far I am loving how the throttle responses. Right now I did plasti dip my grill. I did leave that. Yeah, so far it's very good. I can feel it. As soon as I press the gas, whew, I felt it. It was $168 plus shipping on Z1 Motorsports. I'm not sponsored by them, but I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It is worth the money. I'm pretty sure if you're watching right now, you're watching this because you're in the I don't know how to explain it, but you're in the middle of buying it or not. But I do recommend you guys buying it. Yeah, this is a VQ35DE. I'm not sure it'll work for the HR. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, you guys can just leave them in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. All right, thank you guys for watching the video, and I hope you guys have a great day. Go.
Go.